Hey y'all, how's it going? Guess what? Yes, it's your boy Vern Bang. Yes, honey, it is your boy Vern Bang, and we are back with another episode. Yes, sugar. So let me go ahead and take the top off this while I'm thinking about it. Yes, honey. This is gonna be a delicious, delicious meal. So anyways, let's go ahead and get God some glory and we'll get into what we got today. Lord Jesus, thank you for this day. Thank you for everything you do in our life, Lord. I just pray for everybody in the whole wide world, everybody in this mukbang community, everybody who is sick. Lord Jesus, everybody who is sick with the Lord, please heal their bodies. Touch them. Get them back home to their families, Lord Jesus. Heal them. Put that extra power of protection over everybody in this whole wide world, Lord. In your name I pray. Amen. Alrighty, y'all. So, yes, y'all. So, we have got crispy pata. So, we got the Filipino version of the pigfoot. And if you watched the last video where I tried to eat the whole sausage, all about that support, baby. Yes, honey. We failed it gracefully. But anyways, look at this. Oh. So crispy. Yes, in this Halloween season, oh. It'll be a good conversation on that plate. Is that what you eating? Crispy pata. So we're going to do some crispy pata tacos. And I'll move this out of the way for a second. We got our Florida spicy bowl back here. Yes, y'all. And I'm going to go ahead and break this. Look. Ooh. It's gonna be crispy, but there's a few wiggly gelatinous parts in there. Amen. My favorite. We got us some crab sticks. We got taco shells. And I have a mixture of, crack that open as well. It is cheddar cheese and I'm using, it's called Opa or Ope, or it's like an Indian yogurt, so it's really, really good. I've been substituting that for sour cream, so yes, honey. So we got our cheese and sour cream. Substitute. We got V on deck. Yes, honey. So anyways, how are y'all doing? Hopefully you're all having a beautiful, beautiful day. And if you didn't see the spicy Florida bowl video, sugar, go back and watch it. But yeah, this has got two different types of pickles in it. It's got pickled bologna, pickled pig ear, pickled pig skin, pickled jalapenos, pickled banana peppers, pickled sauerkraut, and you see this real thick. Let's do that again. That's like a good little waterfall. This has got all kinds of sauces. Everything but that kitchen sink Fiesta Bowl sugar. Yes. So anywho, let's pop these. This is the first time me trying these Dollar Tree taco shells. And we just gonna fix them one at a time. But yeah, normally when they make the crispy patas, they do like a vinegar sauce with it, and I'm like, girl, I just made that spicy Florida bowl, and I'm like, sugar, that will go perfect. Perfect. So without further ado, you ready for the sound? As Xtina Grubs would say, shh! ASMR. Ready? Look at that. OMG. Look at all that meat. So this is the hock and the foot connector. So you get lots of meat. These were pressure cooked and air fried, honey. OMG. So, let's get into a taco, and then I'll start talking some more. Let's put some of that meat there. And I like all these juicy bits, so we're gonna put some meat. And some juicy jiggly bits. OMG. Just in case you didn't hear the skin the first time. But normally they'll make a vinegar sauce, like I was saying. Let's try that first. And I was like, hey, we're just gonna do this right here. Because I got all kinds of hot sauces and flavors going on here. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and put some sour cream. And I want to get some of these pickles off in this one. Drain all this juice out. Alright, this is my first one. Probably a little juicy. Let's make it a little more juicier. Look at that. Cheers, y'all. Get you a bite. Get you a VERN bang bite. This bad boy has gotten spicier. Which I knew it would. But she got all kinds of, all our little hellion sauces we've been doing on here. It's all up in there. And then if you ain't tried the crispy pata, I suggest you to run your patas down to H Mart and go get you some. Most of the time at H Mart they'll have them The whole ones packaged up. The last time I went there, they didn't have them, so I had to go to the meat counter. And there's all the different types of meat in it. And they'll have them there. And just ask for the whole pig foot. You don't not want it cut up. And that's all I did. Baby, let's give it all this pickled egg. You see it? Money. Now, the pickled eggs are pickled separate, and I just add it to this when I want. So I'm making it, but the rest of all this is pickled together. And that vinegar helps cut that fattiness of the skin, the jiggly bits, the pork. Because this has got a lot of pork meat in it because it's the hawk. And get us some jiggly bits as well. These are some of them Persian style pickles, the Mediterranean pickles. Yeah. Wouldn't take this one without the baby. She's working. Alright, y'all, go to twolips.com. Get you some hot sauce and merch, baby. Yes, sugar. Go get you some hot sauce and merch. I have so been craving this dish. Yes, honey sugar. Please go support my friend. Yes. That's twolips.com. Yeah. Like mad crazy. It'll be in the pinned comments if you need the link. Yes, sugar. On that pickled sausage. We got V. Diet Coke. So anyways, how's it going? Let me know in the comments what's going on. And don't worry, when I get towards the end of this video, I had 2 people that, because the last video I was like, the sodium just got me. I don't know if it was that much food, but that sodium was so high. Me getting it crispy, I think I concentrated that flavor too much, but anyhow. I was like, I definitely got to do on this one. So there's 2 people that basically play the game. It was a 3-part question on what was the twist of the Road Through China challenge. And it's 3 different answers. So I will be answering those and tell you who got it right, or if anybody got it right, or yada yada yada. I don't know, bro. I love these little imitation crab sticks. These things are so good. And these were the cheaper ones that I got at H Mart. You get a big pack for $4.99. Oh, look that. Baby, the ones that I got at Randall's, which we'll be getting some this month as well. And somebody just told me this is sour cream. I wouldn't know any different. Now I'm digging this crispy pata. This is the first time I ever had them crispy. I never had them crispy like this before. It definitely won't be my last. But I like both dishes differently. I think sometimes I'm gonna like them crispy, which I got 2 more whole pig feet left. Probably the next time I make it, we'll have some color on it, but they're gonna be jiggly a bit because I love that contrast. But yeah, if you ain't never had the pig feet with the ham out, and then had it crispy, and this is the air fried version. Yeah, and look, you see this side? Like, this is the hot part where it's just. Nuggets of meat. Now this is the foot side. Ooh yeah, let's get in there. It's still got some. This one's still got some jiggly bit. On the inside. You gotta get the best of both worlds almost, see? Come on, lips. You ain't tried this before. All I did is pressure cooked it. And on this is what I did. I'm gonna tell you because this say you just put it on for 60 minutes, it'd probably just be too tough and fall apart. So there was a multi-step process in getting, because I wanted the whole leg and I wanted to look like you seen it. I didn't want it all chopped up, broken apart. I wanted to see the whole leg. So I had to thaw it out in a regular pot until it was, was able to fold it. I just got a pot of water going, boiled it till it started boiling, and just flipped it back and forth, kept a watch on it, that way it didn't overcook. Once it was pliable enough to me to stick it in the pot, then I added what I wanted to it, my seasonings and everything, get that and there, and my liquid. Now I didn't put too much liquid in it. Maybe about 2 cups of liquid, that was it. Then I pressure cooked it, but I pressure cooked it 20 minutes and then it will automatically go to heating stay hot on mine. It does the Insignia pressure cooker. So 20 minutes. Went out there, checked on it. Did another 20 minutes. So I did it in 20-minute increments, but I did it at three different levels. So, and I think if you were to put it on for 60 minutes, the leg would be so fall aparty and everything. But this one, it would stay together, but it was still jiggly. Yes, honey. I did a little magic to make the color. And then damn fly. Shoe fly, don't bother me. So anyways, let's try it's just a Fiesta Bowl taco. Get this egg up. So anyways, then when I was I let that cool down and I put it in the fridge overnight. Then baby, you put in that air fryer. Take all that gelatinous juice that's stuck on one side when it's cold. Ooh, look at that pig ear. Pig ear. We got us some pig ear. Where's our Wow? I don't even know if I got any Wow in here, which is the pig skin. Put a sausage in here. So yeah, I just stuck it in the air fryer and I just played with the timing and got it as crispy like I wanted it. Like I didn't do it in yesterday's video, but baby, I just stuck her back in the air fryer. Didn't do it as long as I did last time, but you just gotta play with the times on the air fryer. Yeah, sugar. There you go. Get you a bite of that Fiesta Bowl taco. But I guarantee you, cigars, if I died tonight, I would be so satisfied. Like, let me down, baby. This is the the ultimate last meal right here. So if y'all stayed in here this long, I've been watching me shove my face. So, 2 people answer questions. And I'm going to go ahead and say, I normally been saying Anna AB, but she puts the 3s for the, so it's Annabelle. And she puts the 3s for, because the Annabelle was already taken. But anywho, you may already know that. I mean, she was telling me this yesterday, so. So Annabelle, and I'll post her comment up here, that the egg rolls were homemade, basically. And ding, 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 ding. The number 1 answer that I was looking for. Oh, and then the other, we'll probably post them up here at the same time, you know. Somewhere through here. It was Vicky's roll, and she said the egg rolls are the twist. Absolutely right. The twist of the flavors, definitely. But I'm going to give you the homemade, ding, 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 ding. Yeah, they were homemade. That's the twist. But not only was, so the number 1 answer was homemade. Not only were the egg rolls homemade, but my side was homemade as well. Let's take another. As Sam's roll would say, come on, Sammy Booze. Let's take another big bite on that. Alright. If you ain't tried these Dollar Tree shells, they good. They nice and crunchy for $1. Don't fill them out at once. And this has got some spice, like I said. Go back and watch the Fiesta video. You know everything I put in there that I told you. She's been sitting another couple weeks. Whew. The number 2 answer was, so, that I was looking for was the egg rolls, because I couldn't, because I don't have a car, my car's broke. So if I don't get nobody to take me to the store, I have to go to my little Angie's Discount Market down the street, and I walk. Well, they didn't have no egg rolls, so the egg rolls I wrap in flour tortillas. And baby, they get crunchy, they get light and flaky. I don't think I need the main roll shell. They get bussin'. So the number 2 answer was, you didn't have to glass flour tortillas, but just, you know, the egg rolls are not wrapped in egg roll wrappers type thing. And the third one was the sauce. Because I kept getting little hints if you watched the video all the way through. So it had sweet and sour. It had green enchilada sauce, as well as sweet chili sauce. So that sauce was twisted too. But yeah, pretty much everything you're going to see on my channel is going to be homemade. So, which I always say, homemade. Yeah, baby, homemade. But anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I am stuffed. Let's get into one more of these. But yeah. Oh yeah, what I was saying about the ones from Randall's, I don't know if I completed my train of thought on that one, but the ones from Randall's, they actually look like snow crab. And I already did them on a video as well. So, oh, I did them on the surf and turf one, I believe. And those are busting, so I will be getting more of those as well this month. Because my whole thing was, yes, I could get some king crab or snow crab. But, you know, that may be, you know, $60, $75 out of my budget. And if you take that money and take half that money and go buy you some imitation, and if you can't afford it at all, but then, and I'm just dissatisfied. But to me, it tastes like snow crab. It tastes exactly like snow crab. I know some of you get the textures will be wonky. But I'm telling you, that one I get at Randall's, bussin'. So anyways, y'all. Don't act like I do. So anyway, whew, gotta hit that vinegar. So anyways, y'all, go try you some of this delicious food, a crispy pata, the spicy Florida bowl, get you some imitation crab, or get you some real crab, do you. And until next time, peace, stay true, and you'll bid. Vern bang, baby. Yes, honey. You do you. Sugar, I already know you are the best you. And never let anybody ever change you. Absolutely. Because you perfect. Yes, sugar. You are perfect. Just the way you are. Yes, honey. And we can catch you on another one.
Purple. I'm gonna bleed purple until then. Because that hate and negativity ain't gonna ever set into my life, to my strength, to my way of thinking, ever and ever again. Come on, let's take it back. So there's so much hate. Let's take it back going on in these streets, and I can't contemplate. Sit here and think. I hope it is not too late. Our forefathers, our fathers. So let us make a change.